Hi everybody, today's lesson is about finding the function if the roots of the function are given. These are the three things we are going to do today, so let's begin. Let's say you're given a quadratic function as a graph and you can see the roots here. How can you find the equation of the axis of symmetry? So here we can see that the roots of the function are at -1 and +5, which means x is equal to -1 and x is equal to +5. Now since the axis is right in the center of the parabola, because the parabola is symmetric, you need to find the point that lies exactly in between -1 and 5. So since the axis is exactly in the center of the two roots, x is equal to 2 is the equation of the axis. Mathematically, all you have to do is find the average of these two numbers. So now that we know the equation of the axis, we're going to use the roots to find the actual function. Now, since we already know that the roots are at -1 and +5, you need to think back on how you were able to find the roots. Remember, we had simple equations that we had solved. Therefore, the factors are going to be those two equations, x plus 1 and x minus 5. And the parent function is going to be when you multiply the two factors. So we're just doing this in the reverse order. And you may not want to leave this in factored form. You should multiply it out so that you can see the standard form of the quadratic equation, of the quadratic function. So we know the function, we know the equation of the axis of symmetry, and now we're going to use all that information to find the coordinates of the vertex. Now, we already know that x is equal to 2 at the vertex because the axis passes through the vertex, and we know that the function is x squared minus 4x minus 5. So all you have to do is plug in for x and simplify, and you get a y value which actually gives you the vertex, which is at 2, -9, and since the parabola opens up, the vertex is the lowest point, so it is a minimum. The next one, I want you to try, find the axis, find the equation of the function as well as the vertex. I want you to pause the video and try these and then check as soon as you're done. So here it is. Oops. Let's try this again. The equation of the axis is x equals 4. The factors are x minus 2, x minus 6. The function is x squared minus 8x plus 12. And once you plug in x is equal to 4 into the function, you will find out that the vertex is at 4, -4, which is a minimum. And I'll see you in class. Goodbye.